Every stock you've ever bought, Apple, Tesla, whatever, you didn't buy it from the company. So who did you buy it from? That question is the whole reason markets get split into two worlds, the primary market and the secondary market. Today, we're not touching the mechanics, just where your money actually goes in each one and why the difference matters. The primary market is the first sale, full stop. It's the moment a company creates a brand new security and hands it to investors in exchange for cash. The classic example is an IPO, an initial public offering, when a private company opens its doors to public investors for the first time. Think of it like a company selling its very first batch of concert tickets direct from the box office. That money, it goes straight into the company's pocket to fund growth, pay down debt, build the next product. If you're buying in the primary market, you are, quite literally, funding the business. Now, almost everything you hear about the stock market day to day is actually the secondary market. This is where those already issued securities change hands between investors. You're not buying from the company anymore. You're buying from someone else who already owns the ticket, and they're reselling it to you. The company already got its money back at the IPO. Now, it's just investors trading with each other, on a public exchange, price moving with demand. Here's the use case that ties it together. The primary market is how companies raise capital. The secondary market is how investors exchange it. One funds the business, the other prices it every single day, based on what people think it's worth right now. Primary market, money to the company. Secondary market, money between investors. Same security, completely different transaction. So next time you buy a share, ask yourself, is this fresh off the press or already in circulation? 9 times out of 10, it's the latter. Next episode, we're going behind the counter. Commercial banks versus investment banks, and why they play two very different games with your money. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This has been MoneyMind.